benefit of Bulawayo, Matabeleland South and North provinces was held at Elangeni Training Institute in Bulawayo. The Senior Minister of State in the President's Office, Ambassador Simon Kayamoyo, highlighted the challenges faced by the region and said such deliberations are key to resolving them.
Challenges which we think, if we put our heads together, can alter, can change the lives of our people so that they can also live some kind of quality life.
In his presentation, the Minister of Lands and Rural Resettlement, Comrade Douglas Mondeshwera, said his office is waiting to sign the application by Bulawayo Metropolitan Province for increased area of land within a 40-kilometer radius of the city.
Food security and food self-sufficiency is only realized when the agriculture sector is fully supported. But as we all know, a lot has happened in this sector since independence. Key to this is the land reform program, which has given over 300,000 families access to land.
The Minister of Transport and Infrastructural Development, Dr. Obed Mpofu, said under Zim Asset, infrastructural development is key to the revival of the economy, and his ministry is working on a number of projects which include road construction and rehabilitation on 16 major roads across the country.
So much is expected from the ministry in creating an enabling environment for increased trade facilitation of business. And I'm delighted to say my ministry is fully geared to deliver on its Zim Asset mandate.
According to the Minister of Small and Medium Enterprises, Comrade Sithembiso Sonyoni, various projects like beekeeping, fishing and housing cooperatives fall under her ministry and are key in the empowerment of the black majority under Zim Asset.
Thina njenge-ministry simandated ukuthi sirane ama-cooperatives. So lama cooperatives ngikhuluma ngokwenzakale khathesi siqalisile ibolekisano siyabuya silidisele.
Minister of Environment, Water and Climate, Comrade Sylvia Kasukwere, highlighted that his ministry is working tirelessly to complete the National Matabeleland Zambezi Water Project for the benefit of the region.
We want to see the region benefit more out of our wildlife resources. Hence, we were very clear and His Excellency said, go ahead, appoint Mure. Let's see that he looks after the region as well. And next time, Mr. Chairman, call him here if there are any queries. Let's see our people benefit from this huge resource we have.
Another meeting will be convened after 2 weeks with other ministers to discuss developmental issues in the region. Flesh and Level, ZBC News, Elangeni Training Institute.